Black Friday sales start today. The biggest discounts of the year. A total of 20 days of shopping spree. Let's take a look at what offers are available. The new 2025 models and most popular products all have varying degrees of discounts during Black Friday. There are also promotional offers. Buy a machine and receive a free gift. During Black Friday, there will also be limited time flash sales on some products. There are also discounts available for different spending amounts, so you can enjoy different levels of discounts no matter what product you buy. Come and join us.